When I first heard that we were combining two schools, I was nervous.
I was nervous.
Yeah, I was kind of nervous.
I was excited.
I felt very excited.
Now that we're into it, I think it's been great.
It's actually gone really well.
Polk has become my home.
The kids seem happy. There seems to be a lot going on. The office staff has done a wonderful job, I think. Like, the phone still gets answered. They still know all the kids.
My son comes home really happy every day. They have a lot of extra activities after school, like the art program has been great that we didn't have at Wasatch. He's made new friends.
At Polk, I made tons of new friends.
I have made a couple new friends.
No student can have too many friends. Like, I have a lot of friends.
There's never a limit to how many friends a kid can have.
And if you develop the friendships now, it's a lot easier to develop and continue those friendships through junior high and high school.
Having Principal Wilcox and some of the teachers from Wasatch has made me feel like comfortable because I knew them.
My teacher right now is actually a Wasatch teacher, and I've actually gotten to really like her.
The Polk community has been very welcoming.
The kids will wear Wasatch, or the shirts, and none of the kids think anything of it. It's just part of who they are or what happened before, but we're still all one community.
Wasatch and Polk can both coexist because we're all here for the same purpose. We're all here for those students and for that growth.
I like being a cougar, and I also like being a wildcat.
So it's been fabulous to see them just accept each other for who they are.
I think the transition for next year will be great because we already know each other now.
We will have done it, and so far we've done it well, so I think it can only get better.
I think the role as adults to set an example to come together is huge.
Because Polk will be also renovated for so long that we will need to be able to get along with one another for a long time.
I feel like I'm kind of half Polk, half Wasatch. Both schools are good, but they're both different. It's just like choosing Polk or Wasatch. You don't have to choose. You can be in the middle and like both of them.
We all come together and we're friends, and as we move around through these transitions, we're just going to get along.